All right, welcome back. We are in vowel number 12 now, and the vowel 12 here, all right, does not really have a specific pronunciation. It's a weak vowel. Wherever you find it, it indicates the fact that the vowel there, or rather the syllable there, is what? Unstressed. Okay, so we can find in the following words that we find there on the board. Okay, so in the first one we have OU. All right, in case of OU, we have color, color, color. All right, then we have famous, famous, famous. All right, famous. Then in terms of single O, confuse, confuse. All right, then freedom, freedom. All right, so in this case, let's just look at this one first of all, where you have free, then you have this. You can see here that it occurs over there. So some people refer to it as the prostitute of, you know, phonetics and phonology, because you can find it anywhere. Anywhere you find it, it weakens that syllable there. All right, so you can find it anywhere. For example, you can find it in the word today. You know, many persons pronounce today as today. They don't know that that sound here is already in that O. So it will weaken it. It can no longer be so, but day. So it will weaken the syllable. Anywhere you find this, the syllable then must go down. It reduces the strength of a syllable. All right. So you have the case of, you can see now, confused. You can no longer say confused because this one has dropped the sound down. All right, confused, confused. It means fuse will go up while this will go down because of the presence of this. Free, freedom, freedom. All right, because of the presence of this sound here, the syllable must respect it. It must go down. So you see now, A is found at the beginning of these words here. So you must, the first syllables there are not stressed because of the presence of this sound here. All right, so you have a case of again. Do it again. Do it again. All right, it was a long time ago. Long time ago, not ago, because that first syllable is down. Then what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Not what are you talking about or about, but think down about. All right, that's the sound. Then bake, 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 not baker, bake. All right, so if I want to transcribe bake, guess the way I'm going to transcribe bake. So I'll end up having a case of, you know, this plus this plus this and plus this sound. That's bake. All right, what if I want to transcribe teacher? Then I'll end up having this, all right, plus this, all right, yeah, then I'll have this teacher. All right, so that's that. We now have all of these underlined. Okay, yes, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. All right, then we have or motor, motor. All right, doctor, doctor. Because of the presence of this here, sure sound must find their way there. For example, if I want to transcribe doctor, I'll have this plus this plus this. All right, plus this, then this sound must come there to reduce the level of uh, of pronunciation. Then anesthesia, anesthesia. All right, this sound here is also present. Then fluent, fluent. All right, is also here. Then we have a case of what? April, April. All right, April. All right, so it means this, if you have two consonants, sorry, two syllables here, it means the first syllable is naturally stronger than this because this has taken the place of E, making the syllable to drop in terms of strength. Then we have you, suggest, suggest. You can no longer say suggest, suggest, suggest. Don't forget, wherever you find this syllable or wherever you find this sound, don't just know the syllable it occupies. is already a weak one. So this syllable here is already weak. So it is not suggest, but suggest, suggest. So the first one drops because of the presence of this phonetic symbol here. Then we have sexes, suck, suck. Kind of like I say, suck, suck, success, success. All right. So that's that. That means the first one there is unstressed, while the second is what? Stressed. So you have this case of, you know, the presence of these syllables there. Then we have gauging, gauging, all right, gauging, all right. So this EO here, we now still receive this sound to make it very weak. Then the last one here, you can't say sugar because of the presence of this last vowel sound. So you call it shug, shug, all right. So by transcription now, somebody can have this, all right. You have this first of all, then you have this, then you have the schwa ending it. The same thing with what? Beg. When you have a case of this, take notes. If you are transcribing, you have double consonant, you retain only one. So you have this, then what do you have there? You have this sound. You turn towards beg. All right, so that's that. In our next class, we shall be looking at diphthong, which is combination of two vowel sounds.